Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M8, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of the device, which will bring down your toggles. And somewhere below here, you should have a hotspot toggle, but if you don't, like it's not visible for me, you will need to click right here on this edit. I also want to mention that you can see right here I have labels for each one of these toggles. By default, you will not have them. So if you want to add these labels, by clicking edit, you can check the box right here. Also, when you click on the edit, it will actually show you the labels right here without this being checked on. So you can see it's off and you can see the labels, but if you close this up, you can see they're no longer showing up, only here. Anyway, let's scroll down and find our hotspot. Oh, there we go. It's right here, almost under my finger. So once you see this toggle, you want to click on the plus. You can see it just zips up to the top, and now we can click on the check mark, and it's added right here. Again, we can add the labels if you want, if that makes it easier for you. If you don't, you're looking for the chain link icon. And in here, once it's in this panel, you want to hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings. Now you want to do this at least the first time. And the reason for that is under the setup portable hotspot, you will find a randomly generated password. And you can see this is an absolute nightmare of a password to try to remember and type it in. So I do recommend just straight up getting rid of it. Also, let's change the keyboard. There we go. And then we're going to set up our new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. Now you can use letters, numbers, it doesn't really matter. I'm using strictly numbers to make it absolutely simple because, well, my memory is too. Now, additional options in here will be things like security, which just ensures that you actually have a password on your hotspot, which obviously people without the password won't be able to connect to it, so I do recommend keeping it on. Device identification, I just keep it as it is. And the hide SSID, which I don't recommend doing, as this basically hides your hotspot from the Wi-Fi list altogether. And to connect to that hotspot, even when it's not showing, you would need to go to the things like, for instance, let me just bring up my phone to showcase this a little bit. If I go into details, so once I'm in my Wi-Fi list right here, you can see at the very bottom I can add a network, and as long as I type in the name of the network correctly and the password, I will connect to it even when it's not visible in this list right here. So I don't recommend doing that. It gives you a little bit more security in a way, but at the end of the day, it makes it a little bit more annoying to connect to it. So I personally don't like this. Anyway, once you change any of the settings right here, make sure you click on the check mark right up here to save them. And we can close this up. But before I do so, I want to talk about one last option in here, which is this toggle. Turn off hotspot automatically. So hotspot will get turned off automatically when no devices are connected to it, and this doesn't happen, I believe, right away, only after like a minute or a couple minutes, so at least it gives you a little bit of a time. But I do like this option myself, as when you're done using your hotspot, you usually would somehow disconnect from it, either willingly or unwillingly. As an example, if I'm using something like a laptop and I'm connecting to this hotspot with that laptop, the moment I'm done using it, I would probably just close the lid. By closing the lid, my device would go to sleep. By going to sleep, it would disconnect from the hotspot, and therefore the phone would turn it off. Now this is very useful because hotspot does consume more of your phone's battery, and when you're done using it, there is really no reason for it to be running in the background. Now you can obviously turn it off yourself if you tend to remember about it, but I just like the simplicity of having it done automatically. Now, when everything is set up, find the toggle and simply tap on it to toggle it on. And you can see it's telling you that it's on right now. It also gives you the icon right here in your status bar to indicate that it is right now running. And on this device, luckily, it allows you to use Wi-Fi and mobile data along with hotspot all together. Not every device does, but here you can. And when you're done using it, if you remembered and you want to turn it off right away, you can just tap on this toggle second time and this will turn it off. So there we go. Now, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.